over here is called shit teleporter, okay? Shove in the anus to teleport poop. Shit teleporter is going to be here, and then this is the rotatable, and then this is the rotatable injector, okay? And yeah, it's powered by atoms, and yes, teleport poops to the sewage, and with a push of a button, it's being shoved into your rectum, okay, your ass, okay, inside your ass, like anal, okay. So yeah, this is what they call the shit teleporter machine, okay. I get to create this, okay. So yeah, now that you've seen the invention that I get to create, let's start the video.
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.
What's up, guys? EBOIGBI the first here, and yeah, you read the title right. Why Stephen Hawkins was a fool. Okay, why am I saying this? Well, because of science. I'm so in love with science. I love science a lot. Science is the way, science is the truth, science is the light. Without science, none of us are going to be in existence, okay? But as long as you know about science, we get to be in existence, okay? So yeah, why was Stephen Hawking a fool? I'm going to decipher that in the time dilation. So Isaac Newton did an experiment. Not Isaac Newton, Stephen Hawking, okay? Stephen Hawking did an experiment where if you travel through time, so he did like he arranged a happy birthday. He arranged himself for happy birthday, okay? So like to get celebrated, and then he thought that the people are going to come towards him and celebrate his birthday. He thought his previous self was going to come to meet him to celebrate himself. So he was doing an experiment there where he would check and see if someone would come back in that time and meet them. But guess what? That's not how time travel works, okay? That's not how time travel works. You see, the thing is that, let me first explain the concept of time travel, and then I'll get to tell you the thing is that. So time travel, if you travel out of this reality and you're going, let's say, way back to the past, this your past is not in existence anymore. That existence where you stay is your new existence. You have gone into a new timeline, okay? While that previous of yourself has left that reality, has left that timeline, okay? So yeah, this consciousness that you have now is still going to be the same way if you choose location, definitely. But at that point in time where you teleport, technically you have already teleported already. You won't, this sentient energy, this reality, look, I'm shaking myself right now, like it's my sentient reality that is talking to you currently. Like this is it here. I'm shaking my head, I'm moving my head forward, okay? I am currently in control of my thoughts. I'm in control of my thoughts of God. Now if this body right here leaves this reality, the brain is if this body right here is going to stay in this reality, while your consciousness is going to go back to the past. So yes, you have now gone back to that past, while this reality currently is living, like it's moving, like it's gone. It's not going to be thinking of you. That sense, it might see visions, it might see hallucinations, it might see inceptions, it might see hypnagogies, okay? But the point is that is not you anymore. That past that you enter, you have entered a new dimension. And yes, that spot where you live, it doesn't mean that you're going to disappear. No, that one has gone. Like that one is living his life now, okay, as you are teleported. While you are still like you're in the past. This consciousness, like me right now, I'm saying this, I'm in control of myself, okay? Look at how I am. It's my consciousness that is saying this. Like my subconsciousness, see, my subconsciousness is doing this, okay? This subconsciousness is aware of what is going on. Like, see me. It's the subconscious that is doing it. So this subconscious that is here, like currently I'm in control of myself, and my subconscious is doing like this. That one has gone to the past. Why this body and that its new mindset is still like gone. You have entered a new timeline while that previous one has gone forever. You might still have visions, you might still have ways where you look at it, but you have entered into a new dimension. You have entered into a new timeline. I do believe that you've gotten it. So yeah, that's why I do classify Stephen Hawking as a fool, because yes, time travel doesn't work that way. Okay, it doesn't work that way. Okay, so yeah, that's all. That's what I got to tell you. Stephen Hawking was a fool. He thought that his past is going to come and meet him. That is not how time travel works. Okay, that is not how time travel works. Okay, and time is constant. Okay, it doesn't mean that because of we are revolving around the sun, the time is going. No, it just means that what is happening is happening. Time is just a way to measure how the earth revolves around the sun, how planets revolve around the sun. That is not time, okay? That is not time. It's just how the planets revolve around the sun. So that way we're doing calculating it. We're just time currently is us calculating how the sun, how the earth revolve around the sun. That is basic earthlings, scientists, normies, basic ideology of what the concept of time is. Like, if you travel fast in time, like if you travel fast at light speed, like let's say you are in a spaceship that can travel past the speed of time. When you are leaving the planet, you still see the earth, especially when you're traveling at light speed. You see the earth, and then you see other planets, and the other planets are just going to be staying like that. It's going to be very static. That is the point. Like, we just revolve around the sun. Don't take that as time, where if you're going back, that is how that the reality, that you're living another reality and you're going to another reality. Time is just how the earth revolves around the sun. Okay, that is just time. You have left the universe. Okay, your quantum particles have left the universe. So yeah, there's a lot of things you get to learn. So learn quantum science. I'm currently studying hard as fuck. Hold up a second. So currently I'm studying quantum science right here, and yes, I'm seeing progress. I enjoy quantum science a lot. I love science, I love technology. Quantum realm, imagine it, we get to travel the quantum realm. We get to go to other dimensions through quantum physics. Okay, so yeah, if you're new here, or if you're looking for an ambition, learn quantum science, because if you do now, I promise you with my life, we will work together. Okay, I get to employ you, and I get to let us work with each other together. Learn quantum physics, learn quantum science. Okay, and yes, let's see how far we'll go in the coming years. Okay, remember, the earth is revolving around the sun, so that isn't even space-time, that is reality time. It just technically might be space-time, but it's just revolving around the sun. That's the point. That's where we calculate the 24 hours and 365 per day, because of we revolve around the sun. That's just it. Okay, time is constant. It's constant. It's not accelerating. It's constant. This is fucking amazing. The universe is fucking amazing. Okay, you get it. I know you do get what I'm saying. I do believe I've broken it in a way where you get to understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so yeah, yes, okay, it's good. So yeah, let's talk about the ads. My video is ended. This video is ended. So yeah, the ads starts in 3, 2, 1, and remember, after the ads you get to watch my final outro. So yeah, the ads comes in 3, 2, 1.
I am extremely rich. I am extremely wealthy right now. I absolutely love being a trillionaire. I have $1 trillion now in my bank account. I can see on my bank statement that there is now $1 trillion. I am extremely rich. I am extremely wealthy right now. I absolutely love being a trillionaire. I have $1 trillion now in my bank account. I can see on my bank statement that there is now.
Billy, I love you, Billy. This song is for you, Billy. I love you, Billy. I love you, Billy. I love you, Billy. I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God. Superstar icon. Alright, let's go. Look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get a two street number shown. I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around, can't get a two street number shown. I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. To the edge of the night, whatever. I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get a two street number shown. I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around, can't get a two street number shown. I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. To the edge of the night, whatever. I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get a two street number shown. I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's no baby around, can't get a two street number shown. I'll be taking my time when I'm with you. To the edge of the night, whatever. I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, that's my wish list. Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get a two street number shown. I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around, can't get a two street number shown. I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. To the edge of the night, whatever. I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get a two street number shown. I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around, can't get a two street number shown. I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. To the edge of the night, whatever. I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get a two street number shown. I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around, can't get a two street number shown. I'll be taking my time when I'm with you. To the edge of the night, whatever. I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Okay, look at me now, look at me now. Look at me now, there's a baby around, a baby around. Not whatever, I'll be coming back home.
super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God. I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God. I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.
The video is ended. Thanks a lot for watching EBOIGBI the first. Thanks a lot for subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Peace.
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.